Good afternoon, students. How are you all? I hope that you are all fine and in good health. Today we will continue our lesson that we started yesterday, division patterns with decimals. So, girls, today we will solve exercises on page 293. So please bring your books and open your books on page 293 to start our lesson. So I think we stopped where? I think we do number 2 and 3, right? We did number 2 and 3. We solved those two exercises. Please tell me on the chat, please. Yes. So let's do number 4. So I will solve number 4 now for you to remember together how we will divide the decimal on tens number or decimal or patterns, tens patterns. So you remember yesterday, like in number 4, when I want to divide 74.3 divided 1, any number divided 1, I told you this number will be equals the same number, equals the same number, 74, okay, I'm sorry, 74.3. Now 74.3 divided 10. I told you yesterday, if anyone didn't attend the lesson yesterday, that when you divide any decimal number on tens number or 100 or 1,000, the same thing when you multiply it with a decimal decimal pattern. Okay, so I will move the decimal point to the left side. Number of digits equals number of zeros in this number. That's mean I will move the decimal point here 1 digit, so it will be between 7 and 4. So the number will be 7.43 after the division, the quotient. Now I want to divide the same number on 100. Very good, girls. So I will move the decimal point here 2 digits because I have 2 digits, two zeros, sorry. So it will be here beside 7, and I have to put 0 in the ones digit, so the number will be 0.743 thousandths. If you finish, please, those quotients, type 1 in the chat to continue, and I want all of you to help me to find the answers. Okay, all of you finished, girls? If you don't finish, please type 0 to know. I think all of you finished. Okay, let's move to number 5. Now complete the pattern. Okay, so I will erase those. I will solve the first one because it's very easy. Any number divided 1, as I said yesterday, it will be the same number. That's mean 156 divided 1 equals 156. Now let's see the second one in number 5. Yes, Rinad, open your mic. Rinad?
Yes, teacher, can you hear me well?
Yes, I can hear you. Okay, give me the answer for this one.
It's 15.6.
Very good, Rinad. Your answer is correct. Thank you so much. So it will be 15.6 because I have to move the decimal point here 1 digit to the left side. So the decimal point always, I told you, on the right side here down. I will move it, so it will be between 5 and 6. Okay. If you have any question, girls, please type it in the chat. Now let's see number this one. Okay. Yes, Dana, open your mic.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, what is the answer for this one? 156 divided 100.
0.156.
Okay, I want you to think about it again, please. Look, I have here 2 zeros in the 100, so I have to move the decimal point only 2 digits. The decimal point here, so it will be where?
1.56.
1.56. Very good, Dana. Thank you so much. So the decimal point will be between 5 and 1. So the number will be 1.56. What about you, Deem? Yes, Deem, open your mic. Open your mic and give me the answer for this one.
0.156.
Very good, Deem. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you, Deem. So I have here 3 zeros, so I will move the decimal point 3 digits into the left side, so it will be beside 1. So the answer will be 0.156 thousand. Now number 6, I want to divide 32 on 1, so it will be 32 as I said. Now let's see the second one. Yes, Noor. Okay, yes, Noor, open your mic and give me the answer for 32 divided 10. Noor?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, what is the answer for this 32 divided 10? Yes?
3.2.
3.2, very good. Thank you. So I will move the decimal point, thank you, Noor, 1 digit to the left side, so it will be between 3 and 2. Yes, yes, Najid, could you please give me the answer for this one, 32 divided 100, Najd?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, what is the answer for this?
32
divided 100.
0.32.
Very good, very good. So it will be 0.32 because I have to move the decimal point to the left side 2 digits, so it will be beside 3, so the answer will be 0.32. Now what about the last one? Yes, Lana, open your mic and give me the answer for this one, 32 divided 1000.
0.032.
Very good, Lana, thank you so much. So I have your 2 digits only and I want to move the decimal point 3 digits. There is no more digits here next to the 3, so I will fill this digit with 0 as I said. So the number will be what? 0.030. Okay, 2. Now number 7, 23 divided 10 power 0. You know that 10 power 0, as I said, 10 power 0 always equals 1. You have to save this. This is you have to save it. You have to save this number. So any number divided 10 power 0, it will be the same number. That means it will be 23. What about 23 divided 10? Let's see. I will choose randomly actually. So yes, Basma, open your mic and give me the answer for 23 divided 10. Basma, I think you have a problem. Let's see now. Okay, Shaden, open your mic and give me the answer. Shaden. Also, Shaden didn't answer. Okay, let's see. Okay, yes, Ghala, open your mic also. Also, Ghala didn't answer. Why, girls, you don't want to answer? Very easy. Okay. Mace, open your mic, Mace.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, who is it? Yes, Mace. 23 divided 10.
Equal 2.3.
Very good, Mace. Thank you so much. Equals 2.3 because I have to move the decimal point one digit. And so it will be between 2 and 3. What about the second one? Ariam, open your mic and give me the answer.
0.23.
Very good, Ariam. Your answer is correct. So I have to move the decimal point two digits. So it will be between or beside the 0. Thank you, Ariam. Now, what about you? Okay. Just 1 minute, girls. Okay, Wajd. Okay, Wajd. Now, answer me.
Yes, teacher.
23 divided the third power of 10.
0.022.
Very good, girls. Very good. Thank you so much. So it will be 0.23. Of course, the same strategy because I don't have here the third digit. So I will fill this digit with 0. Okay. So of course, there is no need to mention, girls, that 10, the first power of 10 equals 10. That means this number is 10. And the second power of 10 is 100. And the third power of 10 is 1000. This is the value of the powers. Okay? So that's why I use the same strategy when I divide on the power or on the tens and hundreds and thousands numbers. Okay, girls, now, okay, don't talk to each other, please, on the chat and focus. Write on your book the answers. If you finish, please type 1 in the chat. If you don't finish, please type 0. Okay, I think all of you finished. I think all of you finished, but I will raise only number 5 and 6. I will leave number 7 for you if you didn't write it. So I will raise only this one, okay, and this one. Now number 8. Let's see. The first one, very easy. 12.7 divided 1 equals 12.7 equals the same number. What about 12.7 divided 10? Let's see. Yes. Okay. Yes, Lama, open your mic. What is the answer for this? This is a decimal number, so the decimal point is already written here.
Teacher?
Yes. Lama?
Can you hear me? Oh, Basma, sorry, teacher.
Basma.
The mic is not opening with me because
Okay.
the internet connection.
Okay, Basma, could you please wait? I will give you another exercise because this is Lama turn. So I asked Lama to open the mic, please. Lama?
Yes, teacher, I'm here.
Yes. Now, give me the answer for 12.7 divided 10.
1.27.
Very good. So I have here 1 0. Thank you, Lama. I have here 1 0 in the 10. That means I have to move the decimal point only one digit to the left side, so it will be between 1 and 2. So the number becomes 1.27 hundredths. What about the next one? Yes. Yes, Mahnoor. Open your mic and give me the answer for the last one. 12.7 divided 100.
0.127.
Very good, Mahnoor. Your answer is correct. So I have your 2 zeros in the 100. Thank you, Mahnoor. You have your 2 zeros in the 100, so I have to move the decimal point to the left side two digits. So it will be beside 1. So the number becomes what? Becomes 0.127 thousandths. Okay, what about number 9? Of course, I want here divide 92.5 divided on the powers of 10. This is the pattern. So I will divide the first one, 92.5 divided 10 power 0. Of course, this is equals what? As I said, equals 1. That means it will be the same number, 92.5. Now Fatima will give me the answer for the second one.
Yes, teacher.
92.5 divided the first power of 10 equals what? Fatima, I have your
9.25.
very good, Fatima. Your answer is correct. I have here 1 0 because the value of this power is 10. So I have to move it only one digit. So it will be between 9 and 2. So the number will be 92 or 9.25 hundredths. Now, what about 92.5 divided the second power of 10? Okay, now Basma, could you please open your mic now? Could you?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Can you
What?
hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. 92.5 divided the second power of 10. The answer will be
0. That's 0.
yes.
925.
Very good, Basma. Your answer is correct. So it will be 0.925,000. I have here what? This is the second power of 10. The value of the power is 100. That means I have to move the decimal point 2 digits into the left side, so it will be beside 9. Okay, now number 10. Also, I want to divide here 86.3 divided on the powers of 10. 86.3 divided 10 power 0 equals the same number, 86.3. Now what about the second one? Okay, yes, Rasha, open your mic. 86.3 divided the first power of 10 equals what? Yes, I can hear you. 800. Again, please. Okay, very good. Your answer is correct. It will be 8 point. Thank you, Rasha. 8.63, because I have to move the decimal point only one digit to the left side. Now 86.3 divided the second power of 10. Let's see. Okay, yes, Celine, open your mic and give me the answer for this one.
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Yes, what is the answer for this one? 86.3 divided
0.863.
Very good, your answer is correct. Thank you. Okay, thank you so much, Celine. Thank you, Celine. Your answer is correct. So I have to move the decimal point here 2 digits to the left side, so the number will be 0.863 thousandths. Okay, when you finish, girls, if you finish, please type 1 in the chat. If you don't finish, type 0. Okay, who didn't finish? Someone said 0. Okay. Okay, girls, just type 1 time. Okay, 1 time. Okay, Real, please quickly write the answers quickly. Okay, now you finished, girls. I think you finished, right or not? I think all of you finished. I will erase only this side. I will leave number 10. Maybe someone didn't finish. So let's move now to this one. I will erase this one. Okay, actually I love this question. Find the value of n. Find the value of n. Of course, in the exam you have we have any question like this. Find the value of n. So that's mean I have to find the unknown number here that according to the location for this number, or to the place. That's mean the n maybe in the first one will be the divisor, and in the second one will be a dividend. So now we will see. Look at number 11. You know that we solved something like this in the last lessons. What is the number here? n is a divisor, a number that I will divide 268 on it. The answer will be 0.268 thousandths. So what is the number that I will divide it, or I will divide this number 268 on it? So it will be 0.268. Okay, now n will be what? Look, I have the same number. Look girls, I have the same number, but the difference between the dividend and the quotient is the dividend is a whole, the quotient becomes a decimal number. That's mean that, look, I have here always the decimal point. The decimal point moves in the quotient to the left side 3 digits, right? The decimal point moved to the left side 3 digits. That's mean I divided the number on, of course, a pattern. This pattern, of course, will be 1, and there is number of zeros. How many zeros? The number of zeros will be the number of digits that the decimal point moved. So I have to count here. The decimal point moved. The decimal point was here and moved 1, 2, 3 digits. That's mean this number divided on 1 and 3 zeros. That's mean 1,000. Okay, or if I want to write it as, or I can write it as a powers of 10. If I want to find n and write it as a powers of 10, who will tell me what is the number here? Very good, Larissa and Rila, I think. Lana, thank you. So it will be 10 and the third power of 10. 10 powers 3. So I have here to know that n is the divisor. So the divisor is, of course, a pattern, a decimal or a powers of 10 patterns, or a tens pattern. So how I will know it? I will know it from the number of digits that the decimal moved. Now let's move to number 12. Number 12 is n. Okay, now n divided the second power of 10 will be what? Will be 0.123 thousandths. What is n here? So n here in this expression is a dividend. N is a dividend here, not the divisor. So look, according to the place, I have to know n is what? N is a dividend. So I want to find the number that I will divide it on the second power of 10, so it will becomes what? 0.123. You know, when we divide any number on the second power of 10, that's mean 100, I have to move the decimal point to the left side 2 digits, right? So to know the number that the number that I want to divide it to find this quotient, I have to return in the inverse direction 2 digits. That's mean I want to return to take this decimal point and return it 2 digits. So it will be between 2 and 3. That's mean the number that I want to divide it on the second power of 10, it will be what? It will be 1, 2, and the decimal point will be between 2 and 3. So the number becomes 12.3. And if you want to check your answer is correct or not, you can replace n, as I said last lesson. To check your answer in this type of questions, your answer is correct or not, you can replace n with this number and do the division. If you have the same answer, that's mean your number is correct. If you don't have the same number, that's mean your answer is not correct. That's mean replace n with a 12 point, as an example, 12.3, and divided it on the second power of 10. So look, the answer will be what? Will be 0.123. The same number. That's mean my answer is correct. Now what about number 13? Anyone can tell me number 13 is what? Who will answer me? Who didn't answer today? I think yes, Aryaf, open your mic and tell me.
Okay.
Yes, dear.
Number
What
12.
number 13? Look, n divided the first power of 10 equals 4.6. So what is n? You know n is what? You solved this example? Yes.
I saw that when after you finished yesterday lesson.
Okay. What is your answer? Yes, Aryaf.
Equals 46.
Equals 46. Very good. That's correct. Thank you, Aryaf. So also here n is a dividend. I want to divide a number on 10. The answer will be 4.6. You know, when we divide any number on 10, I will move the decimal point to the left side. I will move the decimal point to the left side 1 digit. Okay. Now, so to know the exact number, the dividend that I want to divide it on 10, it will give me 4.6. I will go to the inverse direction and move the decimal point only 1 digit to the right side. So I will move the decimal point and put it beside 6. So the number becomes what? If you put it beside 6, it will be 46. It will be 46. Okay. Now, you understand those, girls? Did you understand those exercises? Any question about those exercises? The value of n? Okay, who said I have a question? Basma, yes, what's your question, Basma? What's your question? Okay. Basma? When you finish, girls, please type 1 in the chat and tell me, or type 0 if you don't. Okay, just one time, girls. One time. Don't type many times. Okay, girls, I think we have 5 minutes in our session left. So let's try we have 10, we will put the same n, 10 powers 1. Okay, the same number. Oh, if you have 1, you mean? I don't understand your question actually. Okay, what is your name? Okay, Basma, ask me please your question, Basma.
Teacher,
Yes.
if we have 10 powers 1, we will put the same number?
Not the same number. Look
Yeah.
here.
We will put the decimal point in the third number. Yes?
No, not always, according to the situation. So here, because I have only one digit after the decimal point, but if you have 4 point, as an example, 6 2 as an example, and this is the answer for the division. So of course I will not put the number without a decimal. I will move the decimal point in the opposite direction only one digit, so it will be between 6 and 2. So the number becomes what? 46.2. This is as an example. So not always I will put the same number. You have to think about the situation that you have, the expression. Okay, girls, so thank you, Basma. Girls, I want to try with you the competition. You know that that you have a competition on I think on Thursday. So let's try as a test to know if you will enter the competition. Okay, just 1 minute, girls.